The DS Dawn stove is built to last, and with simple maintenance, will keep your home cozy for years to come. Dawn stoves are available in two operating systems, Standing Pilot and Intermittent Pilot Ignition. The Standing Pilot stove uses dial controls hidden behind the control panel door. Ignition, flame height, blower, and thermostat modes can be adjusted here. The Standing Pilot model does not require electricity to ignite. However, electricity is needed for the fan to function. The stove will still have significant radiant heat without the fan operating. The Intermittent Pilot Ignition model uses the Pro Flame 2 remote to control functions. A battery backup is available to supply power to your stove if the electricity is off for a short period of time. This model also has an optional Wi-Fi dongle for control via an app from your mobile device. Both models heat with 40,000 BTU with unparalleled efficiency and have a 50% turn down when less heat is needed. The Dawn series comes with a DS Decade warranty, giving you added comfort and peace of mind if you ever need assistance with your stove. Maintenance is relatively simple. Each year, have your heater and venting system inspected by a qualified gas technician. Periodically, inspect the log set, pilot, and burner. Using a soft bristle brush, gently remove any dust or debris from these areas. Clean the glass, check the gasketing. The glass front has a flat adhesive gasket to seal between the glass panel and the frame. Over time, this gasket can become brittle and compressed and should be replaced. Reach out to your DS dealer for support on all your heating needs.